So in the last video, we have explored how we can shift a certain scale up and down, depending on how you want to phrase it, the fretboard to essentially get the same kind of scale, but just in different keys. So in this video, we did that in the last video for the major scale and the minor scale. Yes. So in this video, we are gonna talk about the pentanoic scale. So we'll go over the major pentanoic scale as well as the minor pentanoic scale. So the prefix pent means 5, right? So if you know some basic chemistry, a pentane is the alkane molecule that consists of 5 carbons, right? Yeah. So a pentanoic scale is a scale that consists of 5 notes. So for a major pentanoic scale, it sounds like this. Sounds clean, right? Yes. So this is the pentanoic scale. Major pentanoic scale, and you can and what is beautiful about pentanoic scale is that it's versatile. You can use it over multiple chords within the same scale. It's often cleaner, so it's easier to use because oftentimes using pentanoic scales kind of enable us to avoid certain clashes, certain semitone clashes, I call it, some cacophonous kind of sound. So pentanoic scale makes it easier for us to kind of produce like a cleaner sound, so to speak. So yes, so let's just shift it up and down. So it would be and so on. And yeah, so it's a very useful and a beautiful scale to know. Pentanoic scale is really beautiful. It only consists of 5 notes, and it's really useful in improvisation. Now, let's just talk about the other one, which is the minor pentanoic scale, which goes like this one. So essentially, both the major pentanoic scale and the minor pentanoic scale are just the same thing as, not the same thing, but very similar to the original major scale or the minor scale. But then you just had 2 of the notes removed. So for example, for the major scale, the major pentanoic scale, you had which one? These 2 notes, the 4th note and the 7th note were removed. In the case of a minor pentanoic scale, let's see. This is the original minor scale, so it's the 2nd and the 6th note of the minor scale that were removed. So essentially, you just had 2 of the notes removed. So now it sounds like, and original was like, now it's, so you can shift it just like the major scale or any other scale. It would sound like this one. And so on. So it's a very useful scale to know. And if you thought that it sounds kind of like blues scale, then you are very correct, actually, because the blues scale goes like this. So actually, you could kind of actually get to the blues scale by just adding this tone right over here in the minor pentanoic scale. It's very similar to the minor pentanoic scale. So the minor pentanoic scale the blue scale is, right? So you just have, one extra note. So you could do the same thing for blue scale, and then you can just kind of shift it up and down. It would sound like, and so on. So that's pretty useful. Thanks for watching. That's about it for this video. I'll see you in the next video.